It's not funny anymore. The bottle.
Three choices. Is it number one, a female impersonator getting his or wig caught in a ceiling fan?
Saturday Mommy.
Golfer distracted by a scuba diver coming out of a water hazard, or number three, an opera singer falls